Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at a MasterCraft XT24. So coming on in the XT24, you'll have a nice transom walkthrough there, as well as a step-down seat deck pad there, so you're not stepping on your seats. You'll have flip-up backrests and 2 seats back there with the XT series. Also, this boat's going to be powered by a 6.2 liter Ilmore engine. Coming in the cockpit, this boat has cool fill vinyl, so it's going to stay really nice and cool out there on the water. You'll have recessed cup holders on both sides, very nice phone holders that are also chargers, and then a ton of storage under all the seats as well. So taking a look at the tower, it's going to be the Z8 tower, so it's super easy to stow and deploy when you need to. You'll have a full bimini top on this boat as well. If you look above me, you'll have the S85 clip speakers. Very nice sound system in this boat. And then new for 2024, you'll have your power board racks. So push of a button, you're going to be able to adjust this and close it and put your boards in there as well. Very nice touch and feature from MasterCraft. Working our way up to the helm. Very comfortable captain's chair here. Nice bolster seat to see over the dash. You'll have all your SurfStar system over here. You do have a rear view camera on this boat, so that'll pop up here along with your GPS and navigation. Passenger side, you'll have flip up seats on either side as well. Pass-through storage all the way to the front. Nice glove box, additional speaker there. Under here you'll have a nice trash can. Boat will hold 17 people. And then coming up to the bow, XT24 pickle fork nose, really nice and wide, can sit a lot of people up here. Perfectly placed cup holders as well, so along with 2 more clip speakers. So again guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was a MasterCraft XT24.